Yeah, so we are in Casa de Campo in the Dominican Republic, and we are at the Premier Club. The Premier Club of Casa de Campo just opened in December 2022. It's their highest category room now, then followed by the Elite and then the Superior. So these are brand new, open. You can see just how modern and new, great amenities that come in here as we walk through. One of the things too, when you do the premier rooms, the lobby area, they have a bar that's open. They have, it's like a club lounge with different food throughout the day, little nibbles that you can enjoy. But this is the premier one bedroom suite. You have a view of, it's a golf course view for golfers. This is a great place to come. Obviously because of the Teeth of the Dog, which is one of the places, one of the premier golf courses that folks want to play. But just to continue, this is kind of what the one bedroom looks like here at the Premier Club of Casa de Campo. And then just an amazing bathroom, walk-in closet, and a dual vanity that we all kind of enjoy. But again, this is the premier one-bedroom suite at Casa de Campo here in the Dominican Republic. Just kind of like we mentioned, it's about an hour from the Santo Domingo airport. It's all highway driving, super easy, and really just starting our stay here, and we'll be here for the next 2 or 3 days, kind of enjoying and understanding this resort better for our clients.